Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add sticky add to cart button to Shopify product page. So for this app, I will demonstrate two apps. One app is the most common, and that is STKY, Sticky Add to Cart. This is most famous app, you can say one of the most famous apps, and it has like 1800 reviews. And obviously the installed apps would be much greater than the this review number, and it starts with the $7 per month. Then I researched for the free app, and it is I found a very great app. It has just 32 reviews, but I have personally used it and it works great. So I will cover both the apps. One app which is most famous, and the other app which is completely free, no hidden charges, no free trial, no nothing. So it's completely free. I will demonstrate both of the apps and show you how they actually work, so that you can decide which one to go for. If you want to go with the most popular app, which I personally found to be much faster in speed. So you can go to STKY, and this app, this is free. If I be honest with you, it is also awesome, and I'm surprised why it is free, because it offers almost all the features like the paid app. The third option that I want to discuss is the Vitals app, which is not basically the sticky add to cart app specifically, but it has like 40 apps in one app, and it also includes the app sticky add to cart. So if you install the Vitals app, you get sticky add to cart app as a bonus. It has like 40 apps, all the apps like wishlist, sticky add to cart, trust badges, you can say all the volume discount, product bundles, a lot of apps in a single app, and it is only $29 per month. So it's a very cheap offer. So I have the link of the Vitals app in the description as well. You can purchase from it, and you will get an additional 10% discount. So, but I will not cover Vitals app in this tutorial because it is not specifically related to sticky add to cart. Okay, it has the feature of sticky add to cart, but it is not specific. These two apps are specific designed for sticky add to cart functionality. So first of all, I will cover the free app, and other than that I will cover this the both one of the most famous apps, STK add to cart, and it comes with a $7 starting price. So let's cover this app first. So you have to click on install, and the process is really straightforward. There's no complexity involved in this free app, and the best thing I love is it has almost all the features that you will find in the paid app, almost every feature. So I haven't found a single feature which is missing. Some of the features which are not required, so they are not included in the app. But if you consider the quality of the app, this is awesome. Okay, you just have to click on setup. After installing the app, click on setup and then enable app in Shopify theme. Once you click on it, it will take you to theme customization. Mostly, the after the Shopify update, most of the themes has made this thing very easy that you can enable the apps in the theme customization. So no hassle of installing the app manually. So it will open the Shopify theme customization panel. So it will show the app has been embedded. You just have to click on save. After saving this one, you have to also no need to refresh. So sticky add to card is enabled. Card sidecar and upsell is not required. So I don't would recommend to install this. This is a bit complex for you in the start. It has a lot of options, so we'll stick with the basic ones, because if I try to cover this app, every feature of this app, obviously it will take me like 20 minutes, and for this app and 20 minutes for the other app, and no one will dare to watch 40 minutes tutorial for sticky add to cart. So I'll stick to the basic setting. Okay, so it has been enabled. This is also enabled. If it is not enabled, you just have to click on this button and it will show it as enabled. So this is the badge, as you can see, enabled. This is also enabled. Sticky card button, this button is also activated. Quick buy button for the collection pages, mostly it is activated. Also on the home page, you have also has the option to add the font. So So custom css. So this free app has a lot of features that is surprising to me, that they are providing all the paid features in the free app. So I'm really impressed by this app. So this is a bit complex feature and a bit advanced, you can say, a lot of customization options. So as you can test it yourself, but it shows related products, show complementary products. This is checked by default, so I've not touched these options because obviously to cover every option it's a bit tricky, and also it will be time taking. So all the things have been activated. So let's check on our store whether it's working fine or not. So let's close this one. Let's see if it's working fine or not, and whether our experiment is successful or not. So as you can see, this option is working fine. The quick buy button is working fine. So the first option is 100% working. So this sticky card button is also working fine. As you can see, if I click on this one, it shows me the option like I can add the products from here. As you can see, this button is also working fine. It will take us to the card page. So things are working fine. So let's test the main functionality, how the main functionality is working. So I'm talking about the sticky add to cart, for which we actually installed this app. So if I go down, let's see if it's working fine or not. It will take, so as you can see, test product, the compare price and this price. This is the button is showing because I'm logging into the admin panel, but you will not see, the visitors will not see this badge. As you can see, it has a very beautiful layout. I think so. I don't need to customize this layout. When I will install the app that I showed you before, when I will install the paid app, you will see that the customization is a bit difficult for it. But for this free app, the customization is pretty simple. So I can, like, if the product is too large, too longer to scroll, I don't have issue because the sticky add to cart work fine. So I click on add to cart, and this is customizable. You can change the color and all the other stuff. You can do it yourself, and that's not a thing to explain because the things are pretty simple for this app. So if you click on this one, it will take you to the card page. And obviously you are on the home page, you are on the about us page. This sticky card will stay with you, so it's also a great feature, I must say. And this feature is also working fine. So I hope this free app demonstration is helpful to you. So now I will stick towards the paid app feature. So this app I will uninstall, and now I will install this app. So let me just pause the video and uninstall this app first, and you will have a, I hope you get an idea how this app actually works. So let's move towards the paid app. So I have uninstalled the app so that I can install a new app. So make sure that if you have the same app of the same functionality, don't download the duplicate apps, because it doesn't add anything good to your store, and it will make the store very slow for your visitor. So only install one app at a time, and that's the reason I always recommend to my clients to use the third option. If you just want to get rid of this headache, you want all the apps to manage from a single dashboard, then obviously the Vitals app is better. But obviously we are sticking towards the dedicated app. So if you have already installed apps for your store and they're working fine, and the only sticky add to cart is missing, so obviously you have the two options. Once you can stick with the free app that I showed the demonstration before, and the second option is the paid app, which is the one of the most famous apps. So let's see how this famous app, paid app, works. So I come to this app and I click on install. So it will take some time. In some cases it will take a few seconds. In some cases it will take half a minute. So let's be patient for this one. So as it will show you this window, but don't worry, what I will show you a hack. I've already worked on this app before. So just close this window, okay, and then uh, just make sure to refresh the window, or just refresh this window, and you will see. So it has been automatically refreshed. You will see this app installed, and then from here you will be able to see the settings. So if you see this window, the window that I closed, just refresh, just close that window and go to the admin panel in Shopify. So as you can see, this is the most famous paid app for sticky add to cart, and I will not demonstrate how you can customize the button color, the all other stuff, because it's a very lengthy discussion. The options are customizable, very easily customizable, so you can check it yourself according to your brand and according to your fonts, and obviously according to your logo colors and all the other stuff. But I will show you how you can integrate it. So hope you are enjoying your free trial. So this is a free trial. I don't want to activate my plan. Get started. Enable add to cart. Again, it will take us automatically to the customization option in Shopify. So the recent Shopify updates has been really great. So it will the integration of most of the apps have become hassle free. So if you click on theme customize editor, it will take us to the theme editor. From there we just have to enable the app, that's it. So the app will be integrated, so we just have to play with the options and all. So no complexity, no integration, so no manually adding the code and other stuff. So let it be refreshed, and then we have to click on save. Okay, and this is saved. So this is find apps built for, so this is actually Shopify 2.0 app. Okay, so I have integrated this app. As you can see, it has been integrated. So now the process is a bit simple. The sticky add to cart, as you can see, it is enabled. Okay, this app is currently enabled. This is live mode is enabled. Okay, app embed is disabled, so it is already enabled, but it is not activated currently. We need to refresh this one, but don't worry about it. Sticky add to cart is enabled by default. Sticky cart is enabled by default. Quick buy button is enabled by default. Quick view is enabled. Sticky checkout bar is enabled. Card slide is enabled. So most of the apps are from like the features are same as the free app, but obviously we have to test this app how it actually works. So all the features have been activated. So skip to checkout when clicked on main add to cart button. So I don't want this one. Show ghost. So this is where the premium features come. Show ghost near sticky button, Halloween themes. So show spider, so web and spider on sticky card. So this is where you can spend money if you want like these custom features. Show bat flying around, winter theme. You have the Valentine Day theme. So this is something uh, you can spend money on, obviously. So this is not available in the free thing, obviously, the free app. So I click on save, and all the apps have been enabled. And if you see every app, so I will click on collapse because it disturbs every time when we go down. So click on collapse, and you have all the options. Like you can even active, you can even add the card icon. So you can see there's a bit difference in the paid app. You can add the background color, icon color, so all the stuff is editable. This is one of the best things you can see in this app. And quick buy button, you can see again it is enabled. We don't have to do anything else. So click on collapse, and then you can choose the colors, you can choose the icon and all the stuff. So quick view is also enabled. Sticky checkout bar is also enabled. Sticky card slider is also enabled. So this is all the things have been done. So let's check this app, and you will be surprised. It has some advanced features, but in my opinion, they are not required. But if you want something like the custom themes and Halloween themes, obviously you should go for this app. That's that's not a debate. Obviously, the free app has more features. So let's refresh this app. The moment we all have been waiting. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with a card, sticky card button, and as you can see, the quick buy button is a bit better. I like this one. Okay, so if I click on like this button, so it has, so I think the integration for the quick button has not been done correctly. So this is now, no, this is now not how it was. So I just have to hover over it, and let's see if the quick view button is working fine or not. No, it's not working for this thing specifically. Let me just test by pausing the video, and I will show you what was the actual issue. So I have done multiple testing for this app and enabled different options, but the quick view button and the quick buy button is not working at all. So I've done multiple tests and try to check whether it's working fine for most of the options, but this feature is not working. But I tried to add some options like the quantity selector in this option, the quick buy button, but it is also not working. Unfortunately, I will leave uh, a, a message to the sport, and I will update in the video description what was the solution for this problem. Till now it is not resolved. Till I made this video, I will update in the description or the comments of this video. But as you can see, this button, this is really nice. If you click on this button, it will take us directly to the checkout. This one is really fine, and it was really great. Like if you are on the home page, if you are on the product page, if you are on the about us page, it will take directly to the checkout page, and it saves a lot of time and obviously improve the conversions. So if you just click on the main feature that we were actually looking for, this is the sticky add to cart feature, and it is working fine. I've checked multiple times. You can also edit the button color, all the other stuff you can edit in, and that's not an issue. Like if you write three quantity and click on add to cart, it works really fine. And another great thing about this app is these features. Congratulations, you have got free shipping to Pakistan and stuff like this. And as you can see, this has some great layout as well. Would you also like to add this? So we can also add to cart. So this is enabled in the app. This feature is also enabled in the app, so it improves the conversion. If I click on add to cart, it will also be added to cart. So these features like work really fine. It's really smooth and without lagging, so no lag at all. But these are two features I have added. I've sent a message to sport because it could be issue with my theme. I hope the sport is quick enough to resolve this issue. I will update in the video. So till now, I hope the things are clear. This is a quick buy button and the quick view button. Only these have the issues. The all the other stuff, all the car slider is working fine. Up till now, I haven't observed a single issue. But these are two options that you have. And when I showed you the free option, which is working really fine, sticky add to cart upsell EA, and then you have this paid option which is working real fine. That just two buttons, two features are not working fine. I've sent a message to sport, and I will update in the description of this video. The third option I already told you, this is the vitals. That is the vitals app, but it is not specific for the add to cart, but add to cart is a part of that app. So I hope the things are clear, and let me know if you feel any issue, and if you have more suggestions, let me know. But these are two apps that I've found most accurate. Thank you very much.